Step by Vivienne Scott. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. I'll tell you some of the fun styling things that we like to add into this dance when we dance it. And then we're going to go around and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn. Let's chill. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. Section 1 and section 2 are the same exact steps. So we're going to start by walking forward and pointing and back and pointing. So we're going to walk right, left, right, and point your left toe to the left side. We're now going to walk back, left, right, left, and point your right toe to the right side. Let's try that with some counts. Walk 1, 2, 3.4, 5, 6, 7.8. Section 2, we're going to repeat that walk forward. So we're going to walk right, left, right, point your left toe. Now we're going to walk it back, back, left, point your right toe. Let's try it with some counts. Walk 1, 2, 3.4, 5, 6, 7.8. Section 3, you have 2 options. You have the first one that is listed and then the styling option. The first one that is listed are heel taps. So you're going to take your right heel, place it into the right diagonal. You're now going to lift your right knee up and place your right heel back down. You're going to lift your right knee up, place your right heel back down, and then you're going to step your right next to your left. We're now going to repeat that to the left. Take our left heel, put it into the left diagonal, bring your left knee up, put your heel down, bring your knee up, put your heel down, and then you're going to step your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts with your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The styling option, which is the second one listed on the step sheet, is what I danced in the demo. That is also how we dance it near me. Instead of doing heel taps, we do heel bounces. So you're going to take your right foot, you're going to step it into the right diagonal. You're now going to bounce your heel twice. So we're going to bounce our heel up, down, up, and then you're going to take weight onto your right foot. We're going to repeat that with the left. So you're going to take your left foot, step it slightly into the left diagonal, bounce your heel up, down, up, and then take weight onto that left foot. So let's try it with some counts, stepping and bouncing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Either way you choose is fine. They're both listed on the step sheet. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. You're going to point your right toe to the right side. You're going to touch your right next to your left. Point your right toe to the right side. And then touch your right next to your left. We're going to walk forward for 3 steps. Walk right, left, right. And then we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping down with our left foot to face 9 o'clock. What I like to do is do a little flick back as I step, but you don't have to. You just want to make sure that you're stepping with the weight on the left foot and your right foot is ready to walk forward. So let's try that last one with some counts. Pointing to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance, and then you'll start all over by walking forward. So let's face the front. Let's do it all the way through. 1 time with steps, 1 time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're walking forward. Walk right, left, point, walk back, left, point, walk right, point, walk back, left, point, and now do your heel bounces. So it's bounce, 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 and step, bounce, 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 and step, point, out, in, walk, 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 quarter turn. And remember, those heel bounces can be whichever one you want, either the heel taps or the bounces. The choice is yours. I personally prefer the bounces. So now let's try it with some counts. We're walking forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, let's talk about some fun that you can add into this dance. The song is called Ice Cream Freeze, and it says a lot about strike a pose, shake it down low, and put your hands in the air. So every time it says that in the song, you can do that while you're dancing. It happens at different times in the dance, So once you hear the song a couple times, you'll know when to add it in. So when it says strike a pose, sometimes it's on the heel bounces, sometimes it's on the points. So what I like to do is just kind of do a pose so I can still bounce my heel. So sometimes I put my hands up on my head and on my hip. Sometimes I put them both on my hip and kind of act a little sassy. You can do whatever pose you want for that. The other time that we can do some styling is when she says shake it down low. Sometimes it's on your opposite heel bounce. It's going to always come after your strike a pose. So sometimes it's on your opposite heel bounce. I just kind of shimmy and dip down and bend my knee. If it's on the walk forward or back, then you just kind of shimmy as you walk back, and you can kind of shake and kind of bend your knees and point. The other times is when she says in the song, put your hands in the air. So sometimes it's on the walk forward, sometimes it's on some other parts. You can just put your hands up in the air and have a good time with it, whatever you would like to do. And the other styling thing that we like to add is when we make that quarter turn, we like to do a little flick back to make it a little extra fun. All of these are totally up to you. There is one more styling option. She says, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it on a walk back. And we like to just add some shoulder shimmies as we walk back. But all of that is totally up to you, and you can add or not add whatever you would like into the dance. So now let's go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is starting on your left foot. You're starting with your walk, walk, right, left, right, point, walk back, and point, walk forward. Walk with a point, walk back with a point. Now your bounces, heel, 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 step, heel, 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 step, point, out, in, walk right, left, right, quarter turn, walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk with a point, walk back with a point, do it again, walk with a point, walk back with a point. Now heels, heel, 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 step, heel, 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 step, point, out, in, walk, 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 quarter turn, walk right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Remember, all the styling that I told you about is totally up to you. It's not on the step sheet. It's just how we like to add an extra level of fun into the dance. And those heels, whichever one you choose to do, is totally okay as well. So you choose whichever one feels good for you or fits your group the best. I hope this helps you learn Let's Chill. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.